गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप यू आर फाइन। टाइम टू स्टडी विद अनुराधा में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर 1 ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो पहला है चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन MCQs। पहला है वाई इज़ वाटर नीडेड फॉर जर्मिनेशन टू अक्योर। आंसर इट अलाउज stored food in cotyledons to become available for use by the embryo. Second, air is necessary for germination. इसका आंसर है to allow stored food to be used for release of energy. Third, warmth is needed for germination because it helps in the growth of the seed. Which is not question 4 which is not true of flowers. Answer contain seeds. 5 which among the following is not required for germination of seeds. Answer pressure. तो नेक्स्ट है बी राइट द मिसिंग वर्ड्स टू कंप्लीट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट, सेपल्स हेल्प प्रोटेक्ट द ovary while petals help attract insects. Second, carrot grows from a root while potato grows from a stem. Third, pollen grains are found in an anther while ovule as found in ovary. Fourth, seed coat is the seed covering while micropyle is the tiny hole. Fifth, the reproductory parts in a flower are carpel and stamen. Next है D short answer question. First, name the parts of plants from which vegetative propagation can be done. Answer, the parts of plants from which vegetative propagation can be done are as follows. First, stem. Second, roots. Third, leaves. Second question है name one plant each that can be propagated by stem, root and leaf. Answer, one plant that can be propagated by stem is rose plant can be grow from a rose stem. By root, a new plant can be grown from the roots of a carrot. By leaf, the bryophyllum leaf has many buds on its margin. New plants grown from these buds when they all fall on moist soil. Third है what is the function of stamen and carpel in a flower. Answer, stamen is the male part of a flower. Carpel is the female part of flower. It helps in seed formation in a flower. Long answer and questions. First, define pollination. Name the different agents that help in pollination. Answer, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther. Stigma of a flower is called pollination. The different agents of pollination are air and insects. Second, why seeds need to be dispersed. Answer, seeds needs to be dispersed for germination and plant survival. Thus, different method of dispersal of seed are dispersal by wind, dispersal by water, dispersal by animal and human, dispersal by explosion. Third है list 6 sound agriculture cultural practices to ensure a good crop? आंसर है the 6 main agricultural practices are plugging. Losing the soil using a plug is called a plugging. This helps to mix the soil. Second है adding manures and fertilizers. The soil is manure and fertilizer are added to the soil to increases humus. Third है sowing. Healthy seeds are sown. Irrigation. Crops are irrigated. Fifth, protection of crops. The plant are sprayed with insecticides and pesticides to protect from insects. Sixth है harvesting. When the crops is ripe, it is cut and gathered. Fourth question. What is the role of A. VD seeds, B. pesticides, and C. fertilizers? A. VD seeds are the chemicals which are sprayed over field to destroy weeds or insects. B. Pesticides are substances that are used to control pests for protecting plant products. C. Fertilizer are added to the soil to increase the fertility of the soil for growing healthy plants. Fifth, what kind of plants must farmers guard against? Answer, the pests the farmer must guard against are rats and insects. ये hot questions हैं. 1. What would happen if all the seeds would fall under the parent plants? Answer, if all the seeds fall under the parent plant, they will not get sufficient nutrients, sunlight, water and space to spread their roots. और ये इंटरनल क्वेश्चंस हैं, कुछ डिफाइंस हैं, ये देख लीजिए. ए है सीड डिस्पर्सल. द स्कैटरिंग ऑफ सीड्स अवे फ्रॉम their parent plant is called seed dispersal. Vegetative propagation. Producing new plants from plant parts other than seeds is known as vegetative propagation. Agriculture. The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food is called agriculture. ये कुछ होमवर्क है. ड्रॉ वेल लेबल्ड डायग्राम ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ फ्लावर, पार्ट्स ऑफ अ सीड, स्टेजेस ऑफ अ जर्मिनेशन. तो ये जो ड्राइंग है ये आपकी बुक में है. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. धन्यवाद.